I'm Parikshit. I'm co-founder at Theysis. You can visit us as thesys.dev. We are a company which is building a suite around generative UI. So we help people design, develop, and ship generative UI agents. Today, I'm going to demo one of the products we are building, and this product is for designers and product managers who are essentially in the early stage and trying to ideate on what agents they could build. This product is called Canvas. And like I said, Canvas is a design tool. It's meant for designers and PMs. It's like if Figma and Miro had a baby, but just for agents, right? Because I'm a designer. I've kind of built a couple of products in the past, and I think Figma somehow is limiting when it comes to building agents, designing agents, prototyping agents, and testing them out, right? So as designer, Figma is really not enough when it comes to conversational design, and that's why we started building Theysis. We are a year-old company, and I'll today give you an example of how you can go ahead and design, interactive conversational AI agents. So a customer of us was building a travel agent. Essentially, if you're visiting a city, you could ask which attractions I could see, and can you help me book tickets, can you help me book flights, and stuff like that. And this is what they came up with, right? And if you notice, this is all text in, text out. It's pretty boring. And I think one thing we shouldn't do is never build boring agents. And that's what we are trying to do. We are trying to make the interface of agents much richer than just text in and text out. So today, let's see if we can redesign this entire thing very quickly and test it out with the prototype. I'll head to app.thesys.dev and I can quickly log in. Once you're in, you can select what sort of form factor you want for this agent. So you can build a full screen agent, you can build a mobile assistant, you can have a support tree on your right, or you can have a side panel co-pilot of sort. For now, I'm just going to go ahead with the full screen. And then we have a couple of nifty, nice themes that I can pick from. I'm going to pick this. Looks like Airbnb. And I'm going to name it, let's say, Friday. Now that I'm happy with how it looks like, of course I can customize it later to the greater detail. But the way this canvas behaves is fairly simple. There are only three things. There are queries, things that your users may ask you or your agent. There are responses that your agent is going to respond with. And then there are triggers, which are fallbacks or default things that usually happen in this interaction. So that's what I'm trying to get there. The display is a bit off, but I think we can work on this. So I'll try to generate my first flow. And if I look at this one, I just asked the engine to show me 5 places to visit in San Francisco. I'm going to tell the engine that Lido is just a quick description helps us generate better screens. And now I'm going to generate the flow where tell user about five attractions. And if you give it a moment, it's going to generate a conversational flow around this. So now it basically picked up a query, a sample user query. And even if in the prototype, even if someone asks something close by, semantically similar, it will still trigger this workflow. But now if you see, it understood that I'm going to ask the user about the city and then generate some options around that city. So it generated really rich UI cards that the agent is going to respond with. And the query is something like this: what are the top attractions to visit, and then send it to city. At the same time, I could also add a query saying, help me book flights So not only can you design with AI, there's, yeah, you can also manually change a lot of this response. So let me show that quickly. You could just click somewhere and we have a lot of blocks that you can compose your response with. You could add graphs, you could add images, you could add anything. You can also add triggers like how should your agent behave when the user opens the agent, and you could just pick a template. And pick an image. Right? Now once you've built all of these flows, you can make them as extensive as possible. You can cover all your use cases. All you need to do is click on preview, and it will generate a prototype that works. It generates a prototype that you can actually converse with. And now I can say things like, show me top 5 attractions. And as you can see, it generates a very interactive flow. So within like a matter of 2 minutes, I can generate